Over 1 billion men in the world suffer from male pattern baldness. The condition often impacts a man's self-esteem and confidence. If you're suffering from hair loss, you're not alone. Hair restoration is both a common and effective option. However, it's important to understand the different techniques offered. One of the techniques is called follicular unit transplantation, commonly known as FUT or strip surgery. FUT is painful and leaves a large linear scar. During this invasive surgery, the physician makes a large incision on the back of the patient's head, removing a portion of the scalp. Grafts are dissected from the removed section of scalp and then implanted into thinning areas. Strip surgery leaves a permanent scar which can be visible long after surgery. Patients often experience scalp numbness, tingling, tightness, and lingering pain. Some physicians also use handheld tools to punch out hair grafts called follicular unit extraction, or FUE. Because this technique is manual, it is tedious and extremely demanding, as it relies heavily on the physician's hand-eye coordination and their ability to aim and hit a target within microns every single time they punch out a hair. Sometimes, because of human error, they may miss or damage the hair follicle. But now there's a more advanced hair restoration procedure using a robotic technology called the Artas Robotic Hair Restoration System. This breakthrough advancement provides permanent, natural, and clinically proven results. During the Artas procedure, your physician will use the Artas robotic system, which will precisely dissect follicular units from the donor area. The advanced vision system has the ability to identify and harvest premium grafts, which contain multiple hair follicles. Because the gentle dissection is performed robotically, it eliminates the potential for human error, offering high-quality visualization and precision from the first to the last graft. Once the hair follicles are harvested, the Artas robotic system creates recipient sites for the harvested grafts using site making. The advanced vision system uses artificial intelligence and, unlike humans, can avoid damaging existing healthy hair while creating a natural-looking result. Many patients ask, how will I look after my procedure? The Artas Hair Studio transforms your consultation by creating a customized, simulated 3D model which highlights the impact of varying graft counts and hair distribution. You can see your possible results with no guessing required. The final result? The donor area looks completely normal with no linear scarring or disfigurement. But even more important, after the implanted follicles regrow, the results are transforming, providing you with fuller-looking hair where you needed it most. The Artas robotic hair restoration procedure improves patient outcomes by providing realistic expectations, no linear scars, little discomfort, and a quick return to normal lifestyle with clinically proven results. For more information or to find an experienced, trained Artas robotic hair restoration doctor in your area, please visit www.artashair.com. Artas Robotic Hair Restoration. Confidence restored.